I just need to keep steady. Don't look down. Okay, don't look down. No, go straight. Just go straight. Why are you turning? Slow down. You're pushing too hard. Don't fight the bike. I'm not fighting it. It's fighting me. This is not steady anymore. This is very not steady. Nobody saw that, right? Maybe the bike saw it, but bikes don't count. Are you hurt or just angry? I'm not angry. We can start slower this time. I don't need slower. I need the bike to listen. See? The bike is not the problem. Ugh. Then why does it keep trying to escape? Jack, wait for me to hold it. I can do one try by myself. Brake gently, not all at once. Oh! I know. Wait, which one is gentle? Go slower, just feel the balance first. I am going slow, I just need to keep moving. It's not straight, it keeps moving on its own. Don't fight it, just guide it gently. See, it's working, I just have to keep going faster. Okay, that was too much. You stopped too suddenly. Because it was going wrong again. You don't push it, you let it roll first. Okay, slow, just like that. I think I get it. Relax your arms, don't lock them. Wait, this feels better. Stay at that speed, don't push it yet.
No, I think I've got it now.
You're doing it, Jack. Keep pedaling. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe to our channel. See ya in the next video.